Installing FlatOut with the 1-gallon pump is quick and easy following these simple steps. Step 1. Determine the correct amount of sealant for your tire according to the application chart provided. You can also find the chart on our website. Correct dosage is extremely important, especially for high-speed applications. Before starting installation, we recommend putting on safety glasses. Step 2. Rotate the tire so that the valve stem is between the 10 and 12 o'clock position. Step 3. Remove the valve core using the provided tool and allow the tire to deflate fully. Step 4. Attach the hose to the valve stem and prime the hose by slowly depressing the pump until the hose is full of sealant. Step 5. At this point, you are ready to treat the tire. Each full stroke of the pump injects approximately 1 ounce of sealant. It is best to use firm, smooth, and steady strokes. Step 6. After installation, remove the hose from the valve stem and reinstall the valve core. Step 7. Inflate tire to manufacturer's recommended pressure, being careful to not over or underinflate. At this point, nothing else is required other than for you to start using your vehicle or equipment and enjoying 24/7 protection from flats or slow leaks. For any questions or troubleshooting tips, please visit our website.